Big YouTube update, and it could wipe out your channel's income overnight. Mass-produced videos? Gone. Repetitive formats? No revenue. Even AI voiceovers could get flagged. If you want to keep earning, you need to understand this before it's too late. Let's cut to the chase. Starting July 15th, 2025, YouTube is tightening its monetization rules and thousands of creators could lose their earnings. We've been hinting at this for months, but now it's official. Under the new YouTube Partner Program guidelines, any content that feels repetitive, templated, low effort, or AI-generated is at risk of being demonetized. That means content reused from other sources without transformation. Mass-generated or overly repetitive styles, clickbait that doesn't educate, entertain, or inspire. And yes, even popular channels that rely on AI or templates could be affected. Think of it like this: if your video doesn't make someone smarter, happier, or better informed, YouTube might not want to pay for it. These new guidelines are YouTube's response to what it calls inauthentic content. And yes, AI tools are part of the conversation. Here's the deal. YouTube is cracking down on low quality, repetitive content that's made for views, not value. If your channel focuses on real storytelling, providing value, and engaging your audience, you should be fine. But if you're relying on templates, auto-generated content, AI voiceovers, keyword stuffing, or just recycling content without adding your own twist, YouTube might pull the plug on monetization. And if that happens, it won't matter if you have 1,000 subscribers or 1 million. Your ad revenue could vanish overnight. What counts as inauthentic? Well, here are some red flags. Using the same title and thumbnail over and over again. Posting the same video across multiple channels. Making videos that are just slightly different with the same title, thumbnail, and content structure. Generating content with AI tools without heavy editing or your own creative input. Stuffing keywords into titles, tags, or descriptions without providing actual value. Recycling content from other sources without transforming it or adding your own spin. Overusing templates or jumbled content. Look, I don't know about you, but this sounds like a lot of the stuff that's been working on YouTube recently. Channels popping up everywhere are banking on AI tools to churn out video after video with little effort or originality. And yeah, they're racking up views, but they're not always adding value or telling stories. So it's not surprising that YouTube is considering changes. Now you might be thinking it's just a copyright issue, but think again. This goes beyond copyright. YouTube is moving towards rewarding creators who build real connections with their audience. They want purpose-driven content that makes a difference. But here's the silver lining. YouTube hasn't laid out penalties yet. Demonetization could be a warning, or it could be permanent. The impact is real either way. You could wake up one day and find that your channel has been quietly delisted from the partner program. And when that happens, it's not just about losing money. It's about losing access to the tools and resources that you need to grow. So what should you do right now? First, focus on real storytelling and providing actual value. If you're using AI tools, heavily edit your content. Add your own creative spin and make sure it reflects your unique style. Think purpose first. Is your content educating or entertaining? Will it make a difference in your viewers' lives? Avoid lazy voiceovers or generic scripts. Aim for originality and authenticity. This isn't the end for AI on YouTube, but it's a wake-up call. You need to evolve and adapt to stay ahead of the curve. Don't get left behind. Stay tuned for more updates as we learn more about these changes. And remember, the future of AI is still bright, but you need to be part of the solution. Don't be a lazy YouTuber. Be a creator who values quality over quantity, who builds connections and inspires change. If you're building a faceless channel or using AI tools, hit that subscribe button. I'm sharing strategies to stand out and stay compliant as YouTube's policies evolve. See you in next video.